everyone, Mr. Allen here for our presentation assembly. Yes, it's the end of term already. As you can see, it's Friday the 16th of December 2022. You're not going to see a great deal of me. You're just going to be seeing some amazing Year 1 and Year 2 children who've earned themselves presentation assembly certificates this term for working so hard, and they really have. First of all, let's have a look at their house points as well, the number of house points that they've been earning. So in Mr. Pinner's class, you can see, look at these. We've got Amelia on 38, Quinn on 42, Letty on 45. Huge number of house points, so well done you guys. And then in Mr. Pinner's class, we've got Armandas on 39, Ruby Lee on 43, and Nella on 45. Well done you 6 children. What a huge number of house points. Really well done. Keep it up throughout the year. That's amazing. So special shout out for you guys. So really well done. Keep it up. Onto our Year 2s, and look at our Year 2s as well. Look at Miss Beckham's class. We've got Zara on 43, we've got Yasmin on 47, and we've got Jack on 49, all very close there, Miss Beckham. But again, huge number of house points. And then in Miss Hall's, we've got Marcy on 48, we've got Lily on 49, and we've got Emily on 50. A huge number of house points yet again, so really well done you guys. Keep it up and just keep earning their house points, and special shout out, so really well done. On to our phonics stars. Look at these Year 1 phonics stars. So we've got Amelia, we've got Archie, and we've got Jack, who've been working so hard on their phonics. And they really have throughout this term. So well done, guys. Keep that up. It's really amazing. So proud of you how hard you've all been working on your phonics. Keep it up. That's just going to help you with your reading and your writing. So well done, you four. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. On to our reading stars, and these guys have been reading voraciously. They have non-stop. We've got Alice, we've got Vienna, we've got Ruby, we've got Isla, who have been reading non-stop every single day. So well done, guys. Not only are you getting a reading certificate, but you also are getting a reading book to take home to read over the Christmas holiday. So I hope you enjoy that new reading book as well. Well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates as well. On to our math stars. Look at these mathematicians. We've got Kobe Ray, we've got Helen, we've got Heman, and we've got Xavier. Well done, you guys. And I know you've been working so hard in your maths mastery lessons as well. And your number work has been phenomenal. So really well, really inquisitive, and really working hard on that. So proud of you. Big smiles again. Look at the smiles on your faces. I know it makes me smile as well. Enjoy taking certificates home, you superstar. Well done. Onto our scientists. Look at these scientists. Look, so we've got Maria, we've got Willow, we've got Hayden, and we've got Katie, who've been working so hard on their science throughout this term. Lots of science happening every single week, so really well done, really inquisitive, real good understanding of the world as well. So well done, you four. Enjoy taking certificates. Massive smiles again, so really well done. Huge congratulations and really well deserved. Superstars. Our geography stars, and we've been doing lots of geography. Look at the smiles on these guys' faces, so they should be. So we've got Ruben, we've got Letty, we've got Alicia, and we've got Theo, who've been working so hard on geography. We've had a lot of geography again this term. These guys definitely know lots and lots about that, so really well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificate home with those big smiles, so really proud of you. Well done. On to our Year 1 PE stars. Look again, the smiles on these children's faces. It just makes you smile. So you've got Theo, you've got Darby, you've got Elliot, and you've got Mikey, who earned themselves their presentation PE star certificate. So really well done, guys. I know they're so physically active in all their PE, their games lessons, and break and lunch times as well. Just being really physically active. Keep that up over Christmas as well. Keep being physically active, keep being fit, get out there, because it is just brilliant for you, brilliant for your health, and just to keep you active and fit. So well done, guys. Keep it up, you superstars. On to our Year 2 phonics stars. Look at these guys. Look how well they are working as well. It is amazing. So we've got Dorian, we've got Jack, we've got Jessica, and we've got Charlotte, working perfect partners, working so hard on their phonics lessons throughout this term, and they just deserve really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home, you absolute superstar. Look at that, isn't that just brilliant how hard they are working? And that's what they've been like all term, so well done you four. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. Our reading stars now, look at these. Look at Emily, big smile on Emily's face as well. And again, we've got Ollie, Evie, and Yasmin, who've been working so hard. Look at them sitting beautifully, listening to story and reading. Well done, you four. So not only are you getting your reading certificates team, but you guys are going to get a reading book as well to have over Christmas. So huge congratulations. Really well done. I'm so proud of you. So well done, guys. And just keep it up over Christmas. Well done. Look Look at our math stars. Look at these mathematicians. They look amazing. They've been working so hard on their maths as well. You see Jackson there, he's in the middle of it there, who's really working hard. Lily, Ahmed and Angel have worked so hard throughout on all their maths. So really well done you for. Enjoy taking your certificates home. Keep on doing some maths as well. Hey, who knows? You could be doing some things over the Christmas period as well. So well done you for. Enjoy taking certificates home, you superstars. Our scientists, look at these scientists. Wonder what they've been working on. Light, water, air, warmth, nutrients, all about plants and how things grow. And they've been working so hard. So we've got Lily, we've got Linka, we've got Willow, and we've got Lola. So if you're any doubt how to grow plants, these are all the ingredients you need. And these 4 super scientists. Well done you for. Big smiles on their faces as well. Enjoy taking your science certificates home, you superstars. Well done. Our geography stars, oh my word, look at these guys. Now these guys will tell you all about Great Britain and all the countries that make up Great Britain. Look at these geography stars. You've got Jensen, you've got Harley, you've got Naya, and we've got Domas. Worked so hard on geography. It's been brilliant this term. Lots of geography in the curriculum. And these guys definitely know all about Great Britain and all the places around Great Britain. So if you're in doubt, ask these guys. So well done guys. Enjoy taking certificates home today, superstars. Look at our PE stars, our year 2 PE stars. It might not be coming home, but certificates are definitely coming home with you guys. So we've got Ruben, we've got Rudy, we've got Chadley, and we've got Tia. Well done, guys. I know you've been so good in your PE, your games lessons, but not only that, at break and lunchtime, it's been really physically active as well. So just keep that up over Christmas. Keep being fit, keep working out. It's brilliant to see, and enjoy taking certificates home, you superstars. Well done. Wow, what a lot of certificates there. But not only that, this half term, lots and lots more golden ticket winners. Let's give a little shout out to those children. Look at this big long list. Ruby Lee, Alice, Lola, Elinka, Harry, Armandas, Amelia, Jessica, Emily, Braden, Xavier, Arafat, Jackson, Willow, Luz, Nella, Leah, Charlie, Ava, Harley, Aidan, Jack, Ahmed, Angel, John, Oliver, Elijah, Betsy, Lucas and Oakley, and lots of those children you'd have heard today have earned themselves certificates as well, which is no surprise. So well done to all those golden ticket winners, you absolute superstars. But don't worry, because 2023 we'll have a new set of golden tickets going out. So next year we start up again in 2023 with our new set of golden tickets. So if you're not on there, who knows, you could be by the end of the spring or the summer term. So keep trying hard, everyone. Final message, obviously, for parents, school closes, school holidays, Christmas holidays today, Friday the 16th of December at 3:15. So school closes today, the end of today, ready for our Christmas holidays. And as you can see, we're back on Tuesday, the 3rd of January, Monday being the bank holiday. So Tuesday, the 3rd of January, 2023 is when the gates will open again at 8:30. It'd be lovely to see you all then. All that's left for me to say is have a wonderful, wonderful festive period, a great Christmas. Please do enjoy it. Stay safe, stay wrapped up warm as well, as always, and have a wonderful time. And we will see you all Tuesday the 3rd of January 2023 in the new year. Take care now. Bye-bye now.